Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I transform my bachelor's face with this super DIY hack. I am using acrylic mirror stickers from Meesho. These acrylic mirror stickers are the best affordable option to transform any space. It's super easy to use and also it enhances the natural light. It makes space look bigger and brighter. So this is the design I wanted to recreate and I found the exact design of stickers on Meesho. I bought set of 2 stickers just at rupees 532 and these are the color options available. And I picked the silver one. So this is how it looks. I decided to press them on this piece of black. So first you have to measure the number of stickers we will need and then decide the design. Next, make sure the surface is clean. The best thing is the stickers are self-adhesive, so you just have to remove the back cover and then stick it. Then simply remove the protective film. It's that simple. Ensure it's straight and aligned. So this is how it turned out, guys. What do you guys think about this product? Let us know in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.